I'm Ashley.
And I'm Ryan.
And we're Outside Pizza.
We make pizza in Denver, Colorado. And we're gonna make a pizza for you today.
3 pizzas.
3 pizzas.
So we're gonna start with one of our favorites that we did last summer called the cheeseburger pizza. It's cheeseburger on a pizza.
It's very aptly named.
Tastes kind of like a Big Mac. We make our pizza dough at our house. It's a sourdough pizza dough, but anything will work. If you go to Gozney.com, there's a ton of different recipes to choose from. Did it touch the mic?
Touch the boom?
I'm opening up the dough. We want to get about an 11-inch pizza. While I'm doing this, do you want to put the hamburger in the pan?
Boy, do I. All right, we're gonna be adding the oil here to the pan, which we had preheated. Gonna go with all of this.
Yeah.
This is some delicious Angus beef.
Colorado beef.
Colorado beef.
Season it however you want. We're keeping it really simple with just some salt and pepper.
Sometimes simple is all you need, you know? Don't have to overthink it.
I like that.
That's a little hot. Already getting that browning happening here. While that's getting going, Ashley's gonna keep working on the dough.
Gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. Give this a few more turns here.
So while he's doing that, I can go ahead and put some cheese on here that we're excited about. We have some lovely cubed mozzarella.
So we're going sauceless with this, right?
Yeah, no sauce.
No
Oops.
sauce.
No sauce. You don't need it. We're going to put some special sauce on out there. Does that look cheesy enough?
Looks pretty cheesy.
All right, we got a mozzarella. Now we're going to go in with some white onion because they're Ryan's favorite. That's kind of what's on most like delicious, yummy cheeseburgers.
We kind of tried to emulate all the classic toppings for your classic cheeseburger.
Say classic again. So now we're throwing some pickles on here. These are house-made pickles, but you could do whatever you want. Any kind of dill pickle that's a little crunchy is going to be awesome.
So we make our own pickles?
They're cucumbers with dill. And then we're going to top it with some cheddar. We want this under the beef so that it gets really melty and just so good.
How's that look, Chef?
Looks pretty good.
Nice browning. Not too much, still a little bit of the red. Are we ready to go? We ready to add some?
Yeah,
Wanna
can I
take
do
over?
it?
Yeah, you can do it.
This smells really good. It smells like cheeseburgers.
Good news is you can make this on your own at home. The recipe will be at Gozney.com.
How's that look? Should we do more?
Yeah, it looks pretty good. So it's kind of fun. You can choose your own adventure. Get really meaty with it.
So now we're going to do a couple of tomatoes. We did plum tomatoes, but you can do anything. I like them on the firmer side since they're going to go into the oven. And then more cheddar because it's better. How's it look?
I think it looks awesome. Let's cook it.
Tools of the trade. We use semola flour. We have found that semola doesn't get as bitter when you cook it, so we really like it. All right, going in.
Here comes the za.
Woo! Yeah. So this is the fun part. You got to do the burger sauce.
Burger sauce.
AKA fry sauce, AKA mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, garlic, salt, pepper. That's it.
That's
it's so
it.
good.
That's
You need it.
That's the good stuff. Don't be stingy on that.
I did. She's done.
She's done. Can we eat it now? Here we go. It's dense. There's a lot going on here.
Mm-hmm. Looks very good.
It's so good.
That's it. That's cheeseburger pizza. It's the best. You're gonna love it.
And we're back.
We're about to make our pickle pizza for you.
It's awesome. We have it on our trailer periodically. People just go crazy about it. So similarly to the last recipe, we're using our house-made dough. Ours is a sourdough. We think it's awesome.
First, we're gonna make our sauce. A very simple roasted garlic dill cream sauce. I am going to take our Greek yogurt and then I'm gonna put way more roasted garlic in here than you think you need. And I roasted this previously. We're gonna give the shells of the garlic to our chickens. They're probably really jazzed already. Yeah.
If you think you've done enough, do more. Do more.
Oh man, okay.
Oh man.
I have a mess now. What do I do?
You give it to the chickens.
Do you want to put a pinch of salt in there?
I sure would love to. Just a pinch of salt.
Pinch.
Is that enough?
More.
More.
Yeah.
2 pinches of salt. How's that?
Perfect. Yeah.
All right.
And then we're gonna do a good amount of pepper, and then our fresh dill. Smells nice.
That does smell nice. How much dill would you say that is?
Half a bunch, but I chopped it up really fine. All right, for the sake of space, we're doing an immersion blender. You may want to make sure it's on the lowest setting. I'm really nervous.
I'm nervous too. Oh, there it goes.
All right, that's enough of that. Now that we have our sauce, we're gonna open up our dough. You want to take a stab at it? Or you want me to do it?
Yeah, I'll give it a go. I feel so nervous now. How am I doing?
We're doing really good.
I'm usually cooking the pizza, not so much working with the dough.
That's great.
I'm an amateur. What do you think?
Yeah.
I'm stretching our dough here. If I can do it, you can do it too. Are we stretched enough?
I'm gonna give her a look. See.
Not nearly enough.
May I?
You may. I was almost there.
It's perfect. All right. So our dough balls, we like them around 280 grams, and that gives us like an 11-inch pizza. I'm gonna sauce this bad boy up, looking real nice. We're gonna put some cubed mozzarella on here, a lot, because again, we really like cheese. You wanna do pickles?
I'd love to do the pickles. So this, as the name suggests, is the most important part. Without these pickles, you don't have a pickle pizza. You can use whatever your favorite pickle is. Dill, preferably. Voila!
You wanna cook it?
I would love to.
Okay.
Actually, a little to the 9.
She's gonna cook fast.
She's gonna be fast. Of a pickle pizza.
You ready?
I'm ready for it. Pizza's in.
Pickle party.
Voila.
All right, so we just took our pickle pie out of the oven. Now we're gonna garnish it with a bunch more fresh dill. A lot of it. Too much of it. There we go.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Do you want to cut it?
Beautiful. Well, let's
So
grab
we're
some
gonna-
pizza.
You're gonna eat it.
It's one of my favorite pizzas we do. It's super good.
I love this pizza because it's really easy to make and kind of weird, so you don't see it a lot. Perfect for your backyard party. That was our pickle pie. We're gonna go get ready for our mixed berry custard pizza.
With pickles.
No!
And we have chickens now.
Chickens really like berries. Come on, just like that. She ate the whole thing.
She ate the whole dang thing.
Tell our friends what we're making.
Oh, we're making a berry custard pie today. A fun dessert pizza that we sometimes break out when we're feeling particularly fancy.
Sweet.
So we've got strawberries, blueberries, and a vanilla custard. Again, we're using our sourdough, which we make in-house.
Yay.
Make it happen.
I'm not gonna hit the boom again.
The boom.
The boom. So we made this custard this morning. It is an egg custard. So it has egg, whole milk, vanilla bean paste, a little bit of salt, some sugar, cornstarch. It's awesome.
How many should I do? 3? 3 little dollops?
4.
4. We're gonna go 4. Let's start here in the middle.
Yum.
Kind of work my way out, spreading it out. Hopefully, in theory, evenly.
Theories are for suckers.
A little bit of the edge there. Want a little bit of crust left.
That's perfect.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah. Can I do the berries?
You can.
This is probably my favorite pizza that we do. I don't know why. It's so pretty. The colors are so nice. We use fresh strawberries over canned. You could use canned, but we really like the way the fresh ones kind of caramelize in the Roccbox. We're going to do a little handful of blueberries. Really pretty colors. And then we'll go in with a little bit of a citrus. You can do lemon or orange. Kind of brings out the flavors of the strawberry. And that's it.
Let's toss that into the Roccbox.
We floured up our launcher, stretched it out a tiny bit more, and I see some empty spots, so I'm going to add more blueberries because it's great, right?
Can't go wrong.
And then we're going to plop it into our oven. How hot is it?
We're rocking at about 800 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh, she looks good.
We're ready, Adam. All right.
Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
Yeah, I'm really excited. Some of the blueberries have kind of split open and the juice is melded together with that custard. Give some of that powdered sugar a go.
Oh my gosh.
A little bit of powdered sugar on there really brings out the sweetness. Woo.
All right, decently sugared. We're gonna cut it and then we're gonna put some fresh mint on top.
How's that look?
You do another one?
Third?
Yeah.
You got it. So what is the mint for?
It adds flavor and a little bit of color, some fun texture.
Yeah.
That's it. So here we have our vanilla bean custard mixed berry pizza.
Are we ready? Can we try it? Oh yeah. Is that for you?
Yeah.
You didn't get any of the mint.
So good. Tastes like a really fatty crepe. Cheers.
Cheers. I love it. It's not too sweet. I think a fatty crepe is the perfect descriptor.
That's crazy.
Catch. So that's it, folks. Thanks for cooking with us today. Our 3 pies with the cheeseburger, the pickle, and this fun mixed berry custard pie.
Mm-hmm.
You can find all the recipes on Gozney.com. That's it. It was so good.